I bet you any bloody money that there's better grease guns out there. So drop it in the comment. So I did that video a couple of months ago and I finally got my new grease gun in the shop. Let's have a look. And bam, here it is, the SP Tool Maxi Drive Industrial Grease Gun. Look at the bloody gem of the thing. Now, straight off the bat, a feature we like are these two holders so we can put our grease line onto. This here's got the 2.5 amp hour battery, so we'll be pumping out some cartridges with that for sure. We've got our low and we've also got our high grease output. Obviously our high can pump out 280 grams per minute and our low can pump out our 100 grams per minute. Now, a good thing about this also, it is pressure rating at 10,000 PSI. Now, we've got our little light at the front here, which on, off. We've got our wicked bleeding system here now. I chucked a cartridge in this before, no word of a lie, just cranked it right up, let a bit of air out with that thing, and she was bloody ready to teddy. We've got our carry strap here. Now, I'll tell you now, this is a good thing, obviously, if you're doing a lot of greasing around machines, and you can understand that all these type of agricultural machines, like the headers, have got a bloody lot of grease nipples to go through. We've got a 1 metre massive extension line there to get into those tricky spots. Now, obviously, also, you can unclip these clasps here, and you can take off the carry strap as well to just have it as a good old hand grease one there. Now, weight-wise, this is actually bloody quite decent. I'm very impressed with it. Now, this kit actually came with a carry bag. Now, this is a hard shell bottom here, if you can see it here. So it means you're not going to get that blowout down the bottom. As well as this came with a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger. And obviously, also, we've got our lock situation there so we don't pump any grease when we don't need to. Now, obviously, this takes your 450cc grease cartridges, as well as, like I said before, you can take a bit of bulk or you can suction some grease. Another little feature I must admit I like is this little cap on the end of the grease coupler. So then you don't get grease everywhere or all over your bloody bag or inside it rolling around and all that. Anyway, there you have it. Bit of a walk around SP Tools Maxi Drive Industrial Grease Gun. Now, obviously, we've got a lot of bit of greasing to do, so I better get into it and I'll catch you later. Cheers.